So with this we have reached the end of this course, that is Learn Dart Programming. In this course we learned all the basics and fundamental concepts related to Dart programming. So if you have enjoyed the course, then please do let me know your feedback in the comment section below. Your comments and appreciation really helps me to make more free videos for you. So do comment your feedback in the comment section below. So in this course we learned a lot of things, starting from installation, then control flow statements, functions and methods and exception handling, object-oriented concepts and inheritance, how to perform functional programming, and in the end we checked out the Dart collection framework. So I hope you had a great time enjoying this course. Now you might think, after learning Dart, where should you proceed? Well, you should now go for the courses of developing Flutter application, writing server-side scripts and also developing web applications. By the time you are watching this video, I might have created the course on developing Flutter application for Android and iOS. So make sure to get the link in the description. So thank you for watching. This is Team Smartherd signing off and hope to see you in my next courses. Have a nice day.